is Nuki. So in today's how-to series, in this very episode, I'm going to be taking you through some of the prep poses that you can practice in order to try and master your camel drop back to wheel. So this was one of the drop backs that I practiced before even thinking about standing drop back, where you're standing from mountain pose and then folding your hands all the way back to wheel. So if that's something that you're working towards, this is going to be a very nice stepping stone for you to keep practicing. A big part of drop backs is overcoming fear. For me, that was one of my key hurdles that I had to overcome. And so I'm going to be guiding you through some of these postures that you can practice to build up strength in the body and also cultivate some confidence so that we can come into this drop back. Let's come and meet on the mat, everyone.
The first pose is a camel prep pose where your hands are supporting the lower back and send your hips forwards and lift the heart up towards the sky. That previous pose will prepare us now for our camel pose. Knees are hip distance apart. Bring your hands to the heels of your feet as you propel your hips forwards and send the heart upwards to the sky. You can open through your throat energy center here as you send the gaze back. After a few breaths, you can release the posture and come and sit back onto the heels. Supported dropbacks using blocks are very beneficial for us whilst we're still gaining confidence with our dropbacks. So keep your hands to the heart center, and as you send your pelvis forwards, reach one hand back, hips going forwards, and see if the fingers can land on the blocks. Confidence. Coming onto your knees, we're going to do the same single hand drop backs without the blocks. So lift your hips forwards, heart goes up to the sky, look back, and fingertips land onto the mat. One big tip here is to send your hips as far forwards as you can at the time when you are gazing back. Try not to let your hips sink down. So now, because we're coming from camel to wheel, of course, we need to also feel confident in a wheel pose. So lift yourself up into wheel and try and walk your hands to your feet or your feet to your hands. Keep lifting the chest forwards and imagine as though you've got two fingers snuggled up in between your shoulder blades to lift the heart energy center up. We should now be ready for the camel to wheel transition. Inhale, reach the arms all the way back. Land both hands on the floor and immediately push into the thighs, feet on the floor. Stay in your wheel pose. From here, we're going to navigate how to come back up onto the knees. So again, inhale, lift the chest up. Land your hands down, immediately push back up. Take a rock here and come back onto the knees as you land in your hero pose. Hopefully you found this helpful, everyone. Keep practicing and all is coming.
Hi guys, Nuki and I hope that you found that tutorial helpful for you. Remember, it's ultimately all about practice, so keep practicing and all is coming. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tips and weekly yoga classes delivered directly to your inbox. In the meantime, stay safe everyone. Namaste.